Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're signed in, so let's begin. Open your Google account page and go straight to Personal Info. Don't detour. Once there, locate the Profile Photo section and click or tap the camera icon. That's the first actionable step. You're doing this because Google links this image across Gmail, Meet, and other services, changing it once updates everywhere. Make sure the photo meets basic size and format rules, then choose Upload or Select from your photos to proceed. Now you'll pick and edit the image. This is the middle, detailed work. After selecting Upload or choosing from Google Photos, use the crop tool to frame your face or logo inside the circular preview. That's important because Google displays it round. Once done, adjust zoom and rotation for balance and confirm the selection. You're doing this to ensure clarity across different sizes, so check how it looks at small and large previews before saving the change. Finish by saving and verifying the change. This is the final step. Click Save, then check Gmail or Google Meet to confirm the new profile picture appears. Propagation can take minutes to a few hours. If you still see the old image, clear your browser cache, sign out and sign back in, or try a different device. One key troubleshooting tip: if updates don't appear within 24 hours, re-upload a slightly different file name and repeat the save process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.